In this video today, I'll be showing you 5 different apps you can make money simply by going live. The truth is, people tend to go live for different reasons, ranging from educating their fans, entertaining their fans, or simply catching crews online. Of course, I will not go into the content without explaining what going live means. So going live means doing something like this. Well, with your phone. So that is going live. So if you are a good singer, or you know how to play the guitar or the keyboard, or you are just a good speaker, or you can do anything online, why not just make money by going live? If you are a returning subscriber, I really appreciate you because you come back to see my videos each time that I drop them. However, I must admit that I am not a financial expert. I am just sharing opinions, experiences from other people and myself who make money online. So if you are new here, my name is Sam, and what I do on this channel is that I talk about apps and websites that can make you money online. So if this subject is what you like to see, I would advise that you like and subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the notification bell so that I can get to see my videos each time that I upload them. Now, without wasting much of our time, let us just dive right straight into the content. Alright, this is my phone screen, as you can see on the screen. So the first app we'll be looking at right now is LiveMe. So I'll be going to Play Store and I will search LiveMe in the search bar. LiveMe. So this is how the apps looks like. It is also available on our Apple Store. So how to earn on this application? For the sake of this video, I am not installing this application. I will only be telling you how you can earn with this application. So what you want to do is that you want to do something to entertain the people. If you are a very good singer, if you know how to play the guitar, like I said earlier on, if you know how to play the keyboard, if you are funny, if you are a good speaker, so this is one of the best apps for you to make money. So you have to entertain your audience, and when you entertain your audience will reward you with coins, beans or diamond, either of the coins they are using. They will reward you with this, and you can convert them into actual money. So like I said earlier on, you want to entertain your audience, so your audience will be motivated to reward you with diamonds. Okay, so you should also consider to use this application to network. So you can use this application to network, connect with people that can either help you tomorrow or some other day. So the second app we'll be looking at is UpLive. So I'm going to be searching that right now. UpLive. Okay, so this is how this application looks like. Okay, so UpLive is more or less like LiveMe. The only difference is that when you go on live, people can actually come in from around the globe and they can join your live section. So what you want to do, like I said earlier on, is that you want to entertain your audience either with music, speaking, anything that you want to do to entertain your audience. Make sure you entertain your audience so they can reward you with gifts, and then you can actually convert them to actual money. So the next on this I'll be talking about is Likey. You must have heard about Likey, right? One thing that is very funny about Likey is that Likey actually made some kind of what I would call buoyant advertisements that people actually got aware of them. I think last year or last 2 years, I can't really remember per se, but then people actually got aware of this application and they started using it. Now what I really noticed is that this application are mostly used by kids, and when I say kids, I'm saying children from 9-year-old, 10-year-old, 11-year-old, 12-year-old, 8 year old. I don't, this really doesn't make sense to me. I have not really seen an adult using this application, but it doesn't undermine the fact that money can be made from this application and you can start using it too if you want, or you can start using it too. Alright, so the next I'll be showing you guys in this video is Bigo. That will be our fourth application in this video, Bigo. So Bigo is more or less like okay, I don't know, I can find Bigo here. Let's do Bigo Live. Alright, so alright, here it is. Now, one thing about this platform is that it's just like Uplive. It is like Live Me, but one thing that is peculiar to this website is that a lot of people are actually using this website more. This website, this application connects you with people globally, and when you are actually entertaining people, like I would say, that you entertain them with our music, speaking, anything that you can do to entertain them. So you entertain them, and then people will gift you, they will send you gift through being diamond, and you can actually convert them to money and withdraw them through Payoneer. If you are in Nigeria, through Payoneer, and if you are in other country that PayPal works, you can actually withdraw it from to PayPal and then to your local bank. Now, there is this thing going on in Bigo right now that people are actually making it a space for nudity. I don't know if you understand that. Before, it was usually people that are using it for talent, but nowadays people are using it for showcasing their nudes and everything. And well, people are actually desperate to make money online, and you can be an exception if you want. So you can actually make this application another source of income for you. So the last application I'll be talking about in this video is, many people have TikTok on their phone. I know because I have TikTok on my phone, and I know that you also have TikTok on your phone. So many people use this application to push up their content. They upload videos every day. I, for one, go on TikTok every day to watch videos of people doing their stuff. This entertains me, and I'm sure this entertains you as well. And there is another update on TikTok recently that people can use to make money, and which is to go live on TikTok. So aside the fact that you can push out your content, you can also make money with live streaming. But there's the thing that you must hit 1,000 followers on TikTok before you can go live on TikTok. So once you hit your 1,000 followers, you go live, you earn. That is a plus. I think I'll call it a plus because you can actually earn with pushing out your content with TikTok also. So with that being said, this is all I have for you guys in this video. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.